urban landscape is changing, and the concrete jungle is actually becoming lush with the creation of the vertical forest, which is made up of sustainable residential towers that are covered in thousands of trees, plants, flowers, and shrubs. Not only do they produce oxygen and absorb harmful pollutants, but they also add a beautiful and lively aesthetic to any city. This new type of architectural biodiversity emphasizes the relationship between humans and other living species and is caught on across the globe, starting with Milan, Italy. Stefano Boeri Architetti, which is based in Milan with offices in Shanghai and Tirana, is spearheading the project also called Bosco Verticale. This impressive vertical forest is located in Milan's Porta Nuova area and consists of two towers that are 80 and 112 meters high. Each tower is equivalent to about 50,000 square meters of single-family houses. These two green beauties house a total of 800 trees, with 480 first and second stage trees, 300 smaller ones, 15,000 perennials and or ground covering plants, and 5,000 shrubs. This lush medley provides an amount of vegetation that's equal to a whopping 30,000 square meters of woodland and undergrowth, which is concentrated on 3,000 square meters of urban surface. There is a plant-based shield that does not reflect or magnify the sun's rays, but instead filters them. This creates an inviting internal microclimate without harmful effects on the environment. Dubbed a green curtain, it regulates humidity and produces oxygen and absorbs CO2 and microparticles. The porcelain stoneware finish of the facades incorporates a brown color that's comparable to bark. This conjures the image of a pair of massive trees. Annually, there are flying gardeners or a specialized team of arborist climbers who use mountaineering techniques and descend from the roof of the buildings to prune and check the progress of the plants for removal or substitution. Maintenance and greening operations are managed by the condominium. Irrigation is also centralized and plants are monitored digitally and remotely and watered from filtered runoff from the towers. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.